I'm guessing our new house displaced some water. And now we have a lake. Oh, I guess we'll have to take care of that with some drainage work. Bella, what are you doing in there? You're making a racket. Bella's taken to playing in her bathtub, and she takes hair elastics from that around the house and brings them in there with her. You're a little bit of a weirdo. Yeah, you are. Silly girl. Today is crazy exciting because I'm about to show you what I'm looking at. Our mattress just got delivered. We saw this mattress and we sat on it for like half a second before we knew this is the one. And can you believe this is a king size mattress? That's crazy. Why this makes me so excited is I actually sleep on my stomach. And our current mattress is fine. It's not bad at all. It's just a little on the firmer side and it crushes my chest. And every morning I wake up in pain. So I'm very excited about this bed because I just don't think it's gonna do that. And better night's sleep, I don't even have to tell you, especially for equestrians, you know, athletes. You just need to sleep in order to do what we do in a day. But seriously though, how is this a king size bed? That's incredible. I will report back with how I sleep, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Okay, for sure this is a king size mattress. That's crazy. And it says medium, which is what I need. Oh, Pookie. You silly girl. Yeah, so we went with a plush mattress once and we woke up crippled. So we actually got a firm mattress, like we went 100% the other way. And now the firm mattress is also making me cripple. So this one's saying that it's a medium. That is, I hope, exactly what we need. All right. Do you need a knife?
No. Ghost bed.
Hi, Lulu.
Is this one of those ones where you cut the plastic off and then it unrolls and shoots you through the window?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, I'm going to do it on the bed.
That's a good idea. Is it heavy? Well,
yeah,
obviously.
It's heavy.
And Pookie's decided this is too much for her.
Do I cut it?
I don't know. Don't ruin the mattress though. Don't cut right through it.
How much plastic do I have to do? It's thick plastic. My knife can go through it.
Really?
I don't want to cut too deep into it.
This is so exciting.
Yeah, that's thick plastic.
Wow, that is thick.
I don't want to.
Right. Scissors might be better.
Oh, it's taped.
Don't you think scissors would be less dangerous? It's gonna explode.
Right.
It's like a bomb. I'm gonna stand back here. Well, you've already had one black eye this month. It's amazing, a mattress. It's already starting to expand. Oh, Lulu. Wow, is that ever sealed?
No, it didn't explode like I was secretly hoping it was gonna. I was willing to take one in the face, but
Aww. This is huge. Oh. Oh, something fell off my nightstand. Oh, the remote control. I think just
I want to keep this plastic for our old mattress.
oh, that's a good idea.
This we have to store it for.
Yeah. That's an excellent idea.
Your dog's concerned.
Oh, Polka Bear. There she is.
Hey.
It's amazing. It's already expanded that much.
Leave it like this and.
Yeah, I think so. And let it finish expanding. Yay!
That's a lot of plastic.
I think it had to be that thick, otherwise the box wouldn't have lasted. Wow. I can already tell this is a great mattress.
Actually, pretty good. I haven't seen an IMAX movie in forever. That's good. Is it the new phone?
No.
The old phone. You have the new phone?
Nope.
That's a good.
Do we need it? Whoa! Oh, because we do.
Tickets.
Our tickets are on the Old Town. And that's how to back up 101.
Put it in reverse.
And speed. Oh, look, we're back home.
What's your phone?
I don't know where it is.
Of course you don't.
I'll look for it. There's a Pookie toy in the wild. It's probably been there for a long time. Yay! Take two. Oh, the spring. Everything looks so pretty. This is our new car. But she's perfect.
Bronze.
Exactly. Upscaled. Right, CJ? Upscaled. so nice to drive.
I was on board right away when they announced it. I was like, yes, good choice.
Did you hear her before she became the line dancing? Okay, I have a crazy story to tell. This underpass gave me the worst pain, I want to say close to the worst pain of my life. I was pregnant. I was sitting in the backseat of the truck and we hit this pothole. What the heck was it?
I think it was just a big bump or something. It was before they repaved it. It's
Yeah.
smooth now.
And for the rest of my pregnancy, I was in pain because some of the ligaments. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. I every time I pass underneath that bridge, I'm like.
I think I'm going to be an Uber driver just so I could park in the food delivery vehicle.
You're kind of cheeky.
Get one of those skip the dishes bags and walk around and do my shopping.
Justin. What are you building?
Car.
They have a Game Boy? Where's the Game Boy? Oh,
And then there's Space Invaders.
that's fantastic.
I like the Mario Kart.
One of my favorite stores. I found a matching shirt.
Pink and brown.
You and I can match.
Yeah.
Isn't it cute?
Mine was from Zara.
It's true. Let's see. Hold up. You're my mirror. Hold that up.
There's a door. You're from bridges there. I think the water's underneath it. Still has to go. Attic's looking good. Water comes down. To the creek. outside horses live up front, and then when the grass grows, they can come up here and run around. We were talking of making these just whole year-round paddocks instead of keeping it grass. The grass is nice, but you don't get a chance to come out and eat it very much. Especially like in the spring when it's first growing, you don't want them on it for too long. And then in the summer it gets so hot and dry that there's nothing really for them to eat. And then in the fall it grows back again, but the same thing, it gets wet. They're not used to the grass, so you don't want them to eat it too much. So then this doesn't really get used enough, so we're thinking maybe one day we'll either put all wood or wood with the electric rope so it's safer, they can't get out, and then open this up and then they have more room to move around and they're not just stuck up front next to the shelters. The area around the shelter's big. It'd be nice to have, we have 4 horses in one paddock. It'd be nice to really have much more space to move around. They don't really need pasture. We feed hay 365 days a year anyway, so we'll just let them have the space to run around. See, and then back here, here's the sand ring. There's the hayfield on the other side. There's actually, I don't know if you can get close enough, but there's a really big beaver den that was formed last year, and they mowed down a lot of trees along the creek, even some oaks. I don't know if you can see it down in here. The snow's a little bit deep, so probably can't get too close, but yeah, I'm gonna sink. Oh, I am sinking. Yeah, I'm up to my knees. The snow's kind of deep back here. Still. Anyway. Maybe we can see it from up here. It's through there, but I don't know if I can get close enough. Sand ring. Nadine and I built ourselves. Maybe spent a lot of time back here on the skid steer, grading and shaping, and we have this berm that we put. It goes all the way around the outside, so if the creek ever comes up over the banks, which it has a couple times in the 12 years that we've been out here, it's flooded. It's come up over the edge. It's not super deep, but it does come up. So we built this berm. It goes all the way around, so the water doesn't flood our sand ring, which you can't really see. It's still under snow, but we can see it. But the beaver den is in here, and in the fall they made a heck of a mess. They were taking down anything they could. It's going to be another dam here, I'm sure, in the spring. You could see some of the, I don't know if you can see it, but those are some big oak trees that they've on the edge that they've gnawed on. They're down in there. I don't see any activity yet. Maybe we're still hibernating. That might be a problem. They're going to eat all these oak trees. There's be nothing left of it. Stabilize the banks. after the easy stuff. Poplars and willows and stuff. There's a path that goes through the trees, but the snow's going to be way too deep today. This is the berm, and it goes all the way around because the creek kind of does a hairpin turn through there. So it goes around where I was over there, and it goes behind these trees, and then it does a 90-degree turn or something, and it's right here again. So this berm goes all the way around, but our sand ring doesn't flood, and then it's right down in there. I don't know if you can see very well. Still a lot of snow. Anyway, I'm gonna go back up to the front. I don't know, I can't see. The sun is so bright on the snow. There's our hedge. That'll be nice. Eventually it'll be, I don't know, maybe 3-4 feet high. Go all the way around the outside of the sand ring, so that'll be nice. So far the rabbits haven't been eating it all that much, which is good because they like to eat everything else. Don't see any damage on these. There's a few I have to replace, but we planted 250 of these all the way around, and I think there's maybe 30 that we have to replace. Not bad. We'll do some shade trees on this berm too, along the top. We'll put like a little couple benches or something that you can sit and watch. So that's coming. There's a fence post we put in the fall, because we're going to have a perimeter fence on the whole property. All the way up there, all the way to the front and around the house, so nothing can get out. So if a horse ever gets out of their paddock, they can't get out anywhere. They have to run around, but the fence will keep them in. Same for the dogs. And the dogs can come out here with us and we don't have to worry about where they're going. So, spring 2026. Eventually the snow will be gone and the water will be gone, and we can start doing stuff outside again. But this drains way along those trees to the creek eventually, but there's so much snow that it's got nowhere to go yet. Alright, that's it for now.